So you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 4,997 followers, and we'll still have 4,997 followers, right? How then do we know if these followers have started coming in? All we need to do is to refresh. How do we refresh? We need to draw this thing down, and boom. As you can see, we currently have 5,008 followers, right? As you can see. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get many followers on TikTok, and it's very easy. All you need to do is to make sure that you stay with me from beginning to the end, as I'm going to be introducing you guys to this website called growbetter.net. You will see in the screen growbetter.net, right? So all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? So let's go. So right here, the first thing we need to do is to create an account. You just need to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, come to this username right here, create a username, then come to this email, put your email, then come to password, create a password, and come to this confirm password, and confirm your password, and click on the sign up. Your account is going to be created. But due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So I don't need to log into my account to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's go. So right now, as you can see right here, when you create account and log in, this is exactly how we're going to be looking like. So the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this category right here. Can you see the category? Tap on it and scroll down and look for TikTok followers, right? So right here you can see TikTok followers. You can see a lot of them, and I like using this particular one, TikTok followers, 10% draw fast delivery. So I don't need to select it. Then come to this service right here. Can you see the service? Just tap on it and select preferable. I like using the first one, so I don't need to select it. Then read the description. Description is actually what describes the service. It's important for you to actually or read the description in order for you to understand the service, right? So the next thing we need to do is to come to this link right here and paste our profile link. Just in case you don't know how to copy your profile link, let me show you guys how to do that. You need to go to TikTok, right? So when you come to TikTok right here, all you need to do is for you to come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Just tap on it and come to this copy link right here. Can you see the copy link? Just tap on it and your link is copied. But before we get back to Grow Better, I want you guys to confirm that we currently have 4,997 followers right here. It's important for you to mark it because we're going to come back for you to see that these followers are going to increase. So let's go. So right now we just need to come back right there and paste our link and come to quantity. Quantity is the amount of followers we need. You just need to enter the amount we need. I want just 100. Then come to this submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? Just tap on the submit. And once you tap on the submit, you can see right here our order has been received. So all you need to do right now is for you to exercise patience and these followers will start coming in. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you find account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Just tap on it and come to this ad fund right here. Can you see the ad fund? Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, to bring it to this place, enter the amount you want to pay and click on this pay right here. And once you tap on the pay, Crop is going to bring you to this place. They're going to ask you how do you want to pay. Do you want to pay with debit card, bank transfer, or with bank, right? If you want to pay with debit card, just put your debit card right here, click on put your debit card details right here, click on pay, and your payment is going to go. If you want to pay with bank transfer, just select bank transfer, read the instruction right here, tell them I understand instruction, and click on this continue right here. And Crop is going to provide account number you're going to be making payment to. All you need to do is to make payment to this account number, and that's all. And the money is going to reflect to your balance. Easy peasy, right? So this is exactly how to fund account in this platform. So let's go back to TikTok to actually confirm if these followers have started coming in, right? So you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 4,997 followers, and we'll still have 4,997 followers, right? How then do we know if these followers have started coming in? All we need to do is to refresh. How do we refresh? We need to draw this thing down, and boom. As you can see, we currently have 5,008 followers, right? As you can see, and if we come to notification, you see that we just got 11 new followers, and this is how they are going to be coming till they complete the amount of followers that you actually ordered, right? So this is exactly how to actually boost your TikTok followers, right? All you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I did in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers. The link to the website is in the description. Just tap on it and it will take you to the website, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.